Creating a portfolio section in your proposal is easier than you think, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. Whether you're crafting a proposal for a client or presenting your work, this section is crucial to show off your best projects and build trust with your potential clients. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, impactful portfolio section that impresses every time. First, let's talk about what your portfolio section should actually include. You want to highlight the work that best showcases your skills and expertise. Pick around 3 to 5 of your most impactful projects. These should be projects that your target clients will relate to, not just the ones you like best. Make sure these pieces reflect the types of work you want more of, and most importantly, they should demonstrate results. Start by giving each project a clear title, one that easily describes the project's purpose or outcome. For example, redesigning website for XYZ Corp is much more effective than just website redesign. Be specific. It helps potential clients understand exactly what kind of work you do and why you're the right person for the job. Next, under each project title, write a brief description. This should be no longer than 2 or 3 sentences. Focus on what problem the project solved, how you approached it, and what the final result was. If possible, use numbers or percentages to highlight the impact of your work. Did your design increase traffic? Did your strategy improve sales? Numbers speak louder than words. Now, let's get into the visuals. Visuals are key in a portfolio section, so make sure you include high-quality images or screenshots of the work. If it's a design project, include before and after images. If it's a digital marketing campaign, include graphs or performance metrics. Keep it professional, but make sure your visuals are clear and easy to understand. You don't want anything to be too cluttered or hard to interpret. Once you've selected the right projects and visuals, lay them out cleanly. A grid or simple row layout works best for keeping things organized and easy to navigate. Make sure each project is clearly separated with enough space to breathe so the viewer isn't overwhelmed by a wall of text or images. If you can, add testimonials or client feedback to each project. This gives extra credibility to your work and shows that you don't just talk the talk, but you walk the walk. If a client has praised your work, include that quote, especially if it highlights the outcome or success of the project. Now, if you want to take your proposal to the next level, you can use software to create a more polished professional portfolio section. I've tried several of the most popular tools for this, and the software we'll be using today is one that I personally recommend. If you want to follow along and try it out yourself, there's an exclusive free trial in the description below just for viewers of my channel. To summarize, when creating a portfolio section in your proposal, make sure you 1. Select the right projects, ones that demonstrate your skills and results. 2. Include a clear title and a short description of each project, focusing on the impact. 3. Use high-quality visuals to showcase your work. 4. Keep the layout simple and easy to navigate. 5. Add client testimonials where possible for extra credibility. The key takeaway here is that your portfolio section isn't just a list of past work. It's a powerful way to demonstrate your expertise, results, and reliability. Make it easy for clients to see why they should choose you for the job. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to try the software I recommend for creating your portfolio section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.